Hi, I'm Jessica Fisher from Good Cheap Eats, and today we're gonna make whole wheat Irish soda bread. Soda bread uses baking soda instead of yeast, so there's no rising time needed. Just mix up the ingredients and bake it. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 375 and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 cup unbleached all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Combine all those ingredients. I like to use a whisk. Now add 1 cup buttermilk and 2 tablespoons oil. Mix this all together to make a sticky dough. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured board and knead it a few times. I do just 3 or 4 turns. Then transfer it to your prepared baking sheet and pat the dough into a 6-inch round. Cut a big X across the middle and slide it into the oven. Bake it for 25 minutes or until golden, and when you thump the bottom of the loaf, it'll sound hollow inside. It slices best if you wait for it to cool completely. But it tastes really delicious if you slice it when it's still just a bit warm and slather it with butter. That's all there is to it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about your homemade whole wheat Irish soda bread.